guys, Kaden here, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So today guys, I'll be using the Juvias Zulu palette again, and I'll be using just two shades to create this look. First, I'll be using the orange shade, and I'll be packing it into my crease so that it has more pigment, and then I'll go ahead and blend it out. Now I'll be going in with the yellow shade and use that to blend out the harsh edges of that orange shade. So for this look, I'll be doing a half moon cut crease. So I'm going to go ahead with my concealer and cut the crease. After cutting the crease, I'm going to let that concealer dry for a little bit. I'm now going to go in to the same Juvias palette and apply that yellow shade all over the clean canvas. That's where I apply the concealer. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the NYX Gold Glitter Liner, and I'm going to use that at the top of the cut crease, actually around the cut crease. I'm going to go ahead and do a wing liner using my e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black. After applying my wing liner, I'm going to go in with my lashes from Lash Me Up Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using one from the 3 out of the Pro Lash collection. After applying my lashes, I'm going to go ahead and finish up my bottom lash line and then add my highlighter. The highlighter that I'll be using is a sample that I got from Lash Me Up Cosmetics, which is Fairy Dust. Now I'm going to finish up my look, and I'm going to do my lippy. I'm going to actually add my lippies, and I'm going to be using the brown pencil from LA Color, and then I'm going to add my two favorite NYX lingerie lippy. So I'll put everything down in the description box below. So I went ahead and I put my wig on off camera. So this is it, guys. Thank you. Here you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Thank you. Bye.